You only need to say this, a word that doesn't just inspire change, but also creates miracles. Imagine having that kind of power at your fingertips. This word isn't just any word. It's the most powerful one out there. But here's the thing. Do you believe it? Can one word really make such a profound difference? Allow me to explain. Today, let's dive into the captivating story of a remarkable woman whose unique gift for speaking words sparked miracles. Known for her extraordinary ability, she attracted people from far and wide, all eager to witness the wonders she could create just by speaking. This woman transformed lives by curing diseases, unlocking wealth, erasing debts, securing dream jobs, and even finding soulmates. She revealed a profound truth. Understanding spiritual laws turns life from a struggle into a joyful game, and today we're going to learn how to play it. Welcome to the channel. I'm thrilled to share some powerful words that can create miracles in your life. Florence Scovel-Shinn, an illustrator and spiritual teacher, unveiled these secrets in her 1925 book, teaching us how to use the power of words to bring about miraculous changes. Florence discovered her gift at a young age. One day, she was captivated by a bouquet of red roses in a flower shop and vividly imagined them in her mind. 3 days later, there was a knock on her door, and she received those very roses from a friend. When she called to thank her friend, they confessed to sending lilies, not roses. It was then that Florence realized her extraordinary power. On another occasion, a man desperate for success sought her help. He wanted to open a business but was denied a loan. Florence identified his mindset as the obstacle. He was conditioned to expect rejection. She emphasized the necessity of preparing for positive outcomes, a principle she passionately advocated. Many of us ask for what we desire, claiming faith, but are we truly ready to receive it? Florence taught that often our subconscious doubts block our blessings. We must not only ask, but also believe wholeheartedly and prepare ourselves to receive. So, back to the man's story. After a 3-day train journey, he decided he had to follow Florence's advice. It was Saturday, and the bank had already closed at noon. Undeterred, he took another train and arrived at the bank at 12:45. When they asked how they could help him, he confidently said, "I came for the loan." To his surprise, they immediately helped him with the paperwork, and he secured the loan he needed. Florence also shared the story of a woman who approached her, desperate and pleading, "Say the word for me, please. I have a debt of $5,000 due in a week, and I have no money. I don't want to mortgage my house." Florence assured her, "I'll help you. I will say the word." She declared, "I am grateful that this woman has received the amount she owes on the invisible plane." She instructed the woman to go home calmly, trusting that the money would come. A week later, on Friday afternoon, the woman called, distressed. "Nothing has happened," she said. Florence urged her, "You need to relax and trust. Let's go out to lunch together to strengthen your faith." At the restaurant, Florence advised her to act as if she had money. Order an expensive meal and feel as though you already have everything you need, she said. The woman followed her advice and went home. That night, she called Florence excitedly. Someone had knocked on her door, but initially, she didn't want to see anyone. Her servant informed her, "It's your cousin, the one with the long white beard." Realizing it was family, she welcomed him in. They hadn't seen each other in years. He asked about her financial situation, and she confessed her struggles. He responded, "Don't worry. You always helped me, and now I'm giving you $5,000, the exact amount she owed." This story shows the power of preparation and faith. When you act as if you already have what you seek, you create space to receive it. Today, you'll learn the powerful combination of words to create miracles in your life. Remember, the key is to prepare yourself to receive. That's all it takes. Let me tell you about a salesman with a dream. He wanted to sell more and buy an $11,000 jacket. Believing in the power of spiritual laws, he said, to be a successful salesperson, I must act as if I already am. So he bought that $11,000 jacket. That same month, his commission soared to $10,000. Why? Because he was ready to receive. Another story is about an actress with a stubborn skin disease. After trying all medical options, she traveled 10 days by train to see a spiritual teacher, pleading, "Please say the word to heal me." The teacher told her to let go of all hatred, resentment, and grudges, as these negative feelings were making her sick. The actress, one of the best in her play, was envied by a coworker who got her fired. Devastated, she prayed, "My God, help me. Do not let hatred and resentment take root in me as they worsen my illness." She asked for the strength to avoid cursing others, no matter the harm done to her, for her own sake. 3 weeks later, the theater called her back and apologized profusely. She went back to work, her life changed, and her skin disease was completely healed. She started focusing on her own growth, realizing that wishing harm on others only hurts yourself. There are many success stories, but let's look at the science and insights from her book, The Game of Life, and how to play it out. How can a person's wish come true? Science gives us answers. Metaphysics shows that particles change when they are watched, which is called the observer effect. The observer doesn't create the change, but is part of the process by just watching. This woman, a student of metaphysics, talked about the power of vision, the power of believing in someone else. When I tell you I believe in you, I plant a seed of potential in your heart. Words are very powerful and can shape destinies positively or negatively if you believe them. The Bible also supports this idea. When 2 or more people pray, God is there. This means there is collective energy, the power of faith and belief. When you truly believe and expect to receive results, results happen. Now let's learn her secret to speaking words that make miracles happen. The key is intention. When you speak with clear intention, you send a command to the universe. To be effective, your words must have intention, and you must be ready to receive them. One sound particularly resonated with me as I have recited it during the toughest times of my life. In 2019, I faced constant financial struggles, dealing with debt, working multiple jobs, and making many sacrifices just to get by. In those moments of fear, I spoke the word with faith. The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. This psalm gave me comfort and guidance, showing the power of words spoken with intention. The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right paths for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. These words, spoken with faith, affirm that I am safe, guided, and provided for, now and in the future. The Bible teaches us to speak with intention, faith, and readiness to receive. Every day, start by saying your intentions. Dear Lord, show me the way, and may everything happen in harmony with divine grace. Believe you will receive it, and it will be yours. Thank you for staying until the end of this video. I appreciate and love you all. Sending a big hug, and see you soon with a new video.